Hi guys! Want to create your first social media post in Content Studio? In this video, I'll show you the complete process, step by step, so you can publish content in just a few clicks. Step 1. Open the Composer. After logging into Content Studio, click the Compose button. This opens the post editor where you'll create your social media content. Step 2. Select your social media account. Choose the social media account or accounts where you want to publish your post. You can select one platform or multiple platforms at the same time. Step 3. Write your caption. Enter your post caption in the text editor. Keep your message clear, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Step 4. Add media. If you want to include an image or video, click Upload Media and choose the file from your computer. Step 5. Preview your post. Before publishing, review the preview to make sure your text and media look exactly the way you want. Step 6. Choose when to publish. Now decide what you'd like to do with your post. You can publish it immediately, schedule it for a future date and time, save it as a draft for later editing. Once you're happy with your post, click Publish or Schedule depending on your choice. Your first social media post is now ready. And that's how easy it is to create your first social media post in Content Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more quick Content Studio tutorials. In